Well, good morning, everybody. I'm here with Jesse in Scottsdale, and we just finished up his project, and I'm here to get his input. So, Jesse, how did you hear about Paradise Greens?
Well, I've known Charlie for several years and knew he owned a turf company, so I said, hey, why not give him a shot and see what he can do?
All right, cool. And what did you think of our designer, Matt, when he came out to help you choose the turf, design, and everything compared to other vendors you had come out?
Well, I must say Matt has a ton of patience. I mean, he came out several different times. We scrapped, restarted over. He took his time with me, didn't complain once about coming out here, and really listened to what I wanted, which was really important. As you can see, we're really super excited how this all turned out, and without Matt's help for Paradise Greens, there's no way this could have gotten completed in this manner.
Cool. And once we got to the scheduling point, was it easy to get everything rolling?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a couple months out, and then I got the the notification from Matt that we'll be out in like 10 days to get it all wrapped up, and it worked out perfectly because the landscaping team just finished all this stuff that they needed to do beforehand, and here we are.
Right. And what did you think of our installation team during the prep, the installation, and the finishing touches?
Well, they rolled in a small army, let me tell you. I couldn't believe how much work they got done and the meticulous manner that they worked in. And they're on their hands and knees with every blade of grass, making it perfect. They're like artists. I love everybody at Paradise Greens. They're amazing, top to bottom.
All right. So you would say you would recommend Paradise Greens to your friends?
There's no other reason to talk to anybody else. These are the guys. Like
All right.
I said.
Thank you so much, Jesse. Appreciate the business.
Got it.